Hello everyone, welcome to Success Wisdom. In this video, we're going to talk about what are some high income skills. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. Finding ways to increase your income can be a tough challenge, but it's essential to keep your financial goals in mind. One way to do this is by learning a new skill that can help you get ahead in your career. There are many benefits to learning a new skill, including the potential to earn more money. By learning a new skill, you can make yourself more marketable in other areas of life. So, if you're looking for ways to increase your income this year, consider learning a new skill. It could be the best decision you ever make. We gather a list of high-income skills that can help you start making more money in this video. Some of these skills are high demand and relatively easy to learn, while others require more training and experience. Either way, if you're willing to put in the work, you can start seeing a higher income within reach. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. The first one is software engineering. As the world becomes increasingly reliant on technology, the demand for skilled software engineers will continue to grow. Fortunately, software engineering is one of the most rare skills that can be learned without attending a traditional university program. While a degree may give you a deeper understanding of the theory behind software design, it is not only necessary to get started in the field. Many online resources and boot camps can teach you the practical skills to succeed. In addition, most companies are more interested in your ability to get the job done than in your educational background. As long as if you have the drive and the aptitude, you can learn everything you need to know to become a successful software engineer. Software engineering is an excellent option if you're looking for a high-paying career. With an average salary of $100,000, software engineers are among the highest paid professionals in the country. And that's not all. They also enjoy excellent job security and a host of other benefits. For instance, many software engineers work remotely, which gives them the flexibility to choose their hours and work from anywhere. In addition, they often have the opportunity to travel to conferences and meetups, which can be a great way to network and learn new skills. Software engineering is worth considering if you're interested in a career that pays well and offers plenty of perks. Second, video editing. There has been a growing trend among brands and companies to use video content in their social media marketing and advertising in recent years. As a result, there is a high demand for skilled video editors who can help to create engaging and compelling videos. Although a university degree is not required to pursue a career in video editing, it is essential to have strong technical skills and an eye for detail. Those who are successful in this field are often creative and able to think outside the box to produce videos that capture viewers' attention. Video editing is an exciting and challenging field, and those with the necessary skills can command the high incomes. Anyone with a computer and an internet connection can learn video editing. Thanks to online tutorials and how-to videos, it has never been easier to pick up this valuable skill. And as more businesses increasingly rely on video content, the demand for qualified video editors will only grow up. In fact, according to a study, the median annual salary for video editors is $70,000. However, those with experience and advanced skills can earn much more. Some earn yearly salaries of over $170,000 or more. So if you're looking for a way to improve your employment prospects and earning potential, learning video editing is a great place to start. Next is encoding. Anyone who has ever tried to build a website or creating a software program knows that coding is essential. But it can be challenging for those who haven't to understand why coding is still such a valuable skill. After all, didn't we already have computers that could do all of the work for us? As it turns out, coding is still a significant part of creating websites and software applications. And developers are always in high demand. Learning how to code can be a great way to improve your earnings potential. It may seem like a daunting task at first, but anyone can learn to code with some dedication and perseverance. Coding is a skill that can lead to a high paying career. The annual salary for coders ranges from $70,000 to $140,000, making one of the highest paying skills. Coding is in high demand, and the market is only expected to grow in the future. With the proper training, coding can be a great way to earn a good living. Fourth is copywriting. Have you ever looked at an advertisement and thought to yourself, wow, that's clever? Chances are, a copywriter was behind that creativity. Copywriting is all about creating promotional materials like ads, emails, and website content to sell a product or service. And it's a skill that is valued in nearly every industry. Plus, since so much copywriting is now done remotely, it's an excellent gig for freelancers. Copywriting is a skill that anyone with a willingness to learn can learn. And once you have mastered copywriting, you can earn an excellent living. Many copywriters earn six-figure incomes. So, how do you become a copywriter? The first step is to learn the basics of copywriting. This can be done through self-study or by taking a course from a company that offers certification. By taking a certified course in copywriting, you can give yourself the best chance of success in this highly competitive field. Once you have the basics down, it's simply a matter of practice, practice, and practice. The more you write, the better you will become at it. And as your skills improve, so will your ability to earn money. So, if you're looking for a new career that can provide you with financial security, consider copywriting. It's a skill that anyone can learn and with practice can be used to earn a perfect living. Then, project management. While a 4-year degree in project management may give you a leg up when applying for jobs, more and more companies are moving away from traditional engineering education. The reason is simple. Many of the skills required for project management can be learned on the job, and there is a growing demand for workers with real-world experience. In addition, many project management positions require only a 2-year degree. As a result, more and more students are opting to get an associate's degree or certification instead of pursuing a 4-year degree. While there is no one right path to becoming a project manager, the trend is clear. Traditional college degrees are no longer the only option. A professional manager is a professional in the field of project management. Project managers are responsible for the planning, procurement, and execution of a project in any undertaking with a defined scope, such as construction, software development, research projects, product development, technical sales, or knowledge-based professional services. A project manager may be responsible for several projects at one time. According to some research, the project manager job has been ranked as the best job in America for 2015 and 2016. The median base salary for a project manager is $90,000 per year. Some studies state that US project managers earn an average salary of $120,000 per year. Project managers are paid so high because they use communication and organizational skills rather than technical skills to earn a high income. They're highly paid because they manage the multiple aspects of a company's process of creating products and services and often oversee numerous teams. Being able to juggle multiple tasks is a skill that is valuable in any industry. By considering becoming a project manager, keep in mind that effective communication and organization are essential to success in this role. Sixth, graphic designer. Graphic designers are the unsung heroes of advertising industry. They are the ones who create the visual element that make ads both eye-catching and practical. From logos and banners to illustrations and infographics, graphic designers have various tools at their disposal. And while they may not be able to code a website or write a jingle, they more than make up for it with their creativity and passion for art. Being a graphic designer is a pretty sweet gig. You get to be creative and express yourself through your work, but you also get handsomely rewarded for your efforts. Graphic designers are one of the highest paid professionals globally, with an average salary of over $60,000. But what if you don't have the natural talent for design? Well, never fear. Graphic design is a skill that can be learned through dedicated study and practice. So, if you're willing to put in the time and effort, you could soon be enjoying all the benefits being a successful graphic designer. Finally, web developer. If you've ever visited a website, you've interacted with a web developer. Web developers are the people who create and build websites. They are responsible for creating and maintaining websites, ensuring that they function correctly, and providing a positive user experience. They are responsible for everything from the site's overall layout to the individual elements that appear on each page. While some web developers specialize in a particular area, such understanding of all aspects of web development, if you're interested in becoming a web developer, you'll need to learn the programming languages to build websites. Fortunately, plenty of resources are available to help you get started. Whether you're attending a code bootcamp or teaching yourself at home. Because of the high level of skills required, web developers are typically well compensated for their work. In fact, according to research, the median salary for a web developer is $70,000 per year. When it comes to earning a high income, there are two main avenues: investing and high-skill work. While there are several strategies that can be employed to make money through investing, it generally takes a significant amount of capital to get started. High-skill work is the way to go for those who don't have a lot of money to invest or who want to earn an income without tying up their capital. The key is to find a skill that is in demand and then learn everything you can about it. Once you have developed substantial expertise in your chosen field, you will be able to command a higher rate for your services. And as your skills continue to grow, so will your income. So if you're looking for a path to financial security, developing a high income skill is the way to go. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.